In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the cart icon in Squarespace quickly and easily. This is a really useful tutorial if you run a Squarespace website and you want to clean up your header, hide shopping options, or simply remove the cart icon from a site that doesn't need e-commerce turned on right now. This process only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through every step so you can do it confidently. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website where you want to make the change. Once you're inside your site preview, look toward the top left corner and click Edit. This will put your site into page editing mode, which is where you can make changes to the design and layout of your website. After that, move your mouse pointer up to the very top menu bar of your website header. Keep hovering there for a moment until you see the Edit Site Header button appear. When it shows up, click it to open the header settings. A floating configuration window will appear on the screen. Inside that window, you'll see a few different tabs, and what you want to do next is click the Elements tab. This is where Squarespace keeps the options for the items displayed in your header, like your logo, navigation, and cart icon. Now look for the Cart option row. Once you find it, you'll see a switch next to it. All you need to do is toggle that switch to off. As you do that, the green bar will slide to the left and turn gray, which means the cart icon has been disabled. The moment you turn it off, the cart icon should disappear instantly from your header layout. This is a great way to simplify your site's navigation and create a cleaner look if you're not using the store feature. If you ever want the cart icon back later, you can repeat the same steps and switch it back on again. So to quickly recap, you open your Squarespace site, click Edit, go to Edit Site Header, open the Elements tab, find Cart, and switch it off. And that's it. Your cart icon is removed from Squarespace. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, website fixes, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs.